Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I keep up my underarm waxing and underarm skincare routine at home, because beauty maintenance doesn't have to break the banks. So I bought this wax machine on Amazon, so I will have the link in my description box if you guys are interested in picking up the same exact one. Before we start this process, I want to show you guys what my before looked like. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks so far, so good. So let's start the process. First, I'll be cleansing the area with some alcohol and the gentle pre-wax cleanser that comes with the kit to help remove any oils or residue under my arm. This helps the wax stick better and ensure that you have a cleaner result. Next, I heat up my wax beads. I like to use a medium consistency wax that is gentle but still gets every hair. The link to this wax will also be in the description box. To allow the wax to stick better to my hair, I use baby powder. And when I apply the wax, I like to apply it in the direction of the hair growth and pull it in opposite directions once it's set. After waxing, I do a quick extraction, and then I do my underarm routine to remove any leftover dirt, debris, or ingrown hair. This is the key to keeping your underarms bright and bump free. You can stop here, or you can move on to the next step, which is the underarm routine. What I love about this routine is how easy it is to do at home. No appointments, no waiting, no stress. It's all about keeping your beauty routine simple, consistent, and budget friendly, boo. So once I'm done, I go in with an after oil or serum to soothe the skin and add moisture. And if you deal with dark spots, you can use a brightening underarm serum 2 to 3 times a week to help even out the skin tone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more skincare, hair, and beauty videos. Your glow up starts with consistency, sis, and I've got plenty more tips coming your way, so keep watching. Kisses from me to you. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and it won't lay today.